हमारा साथ देने का। वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे के लिए जानकारी के लिए जाइए www.unep.org/west।
Ladies and gentlemen, Priyanka Chopra. Getting ready to entertain all of you tonight. I would request her parents, her mother or father, if they're present here, to please come up on stage and accept this award on behalf of her. Is she here?
Thank you, IFA and NDTV for recognizing the importance and, of course, letting everybody know. Priyanka, in a very small way, thinks that she could be the face of the green earth and create a mindset, a change that we really need tonight. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Priyanka.
Before we move to the next award, a word of thanks to our sponsors. The title sponsor of the Floriana IFA Awards is the Floriana Group. Our partner country is the Government of Ontario, Canada. To all of you, IFA celebrations in Toronto are presented by CIBC. The title sponsor of the IFA weekend is Videocon D2H. Greeting the IFA's partner is Panasonic. Our official airline partner is Air India. Official automobile partner is Infinity. Broadcast partner is Star Plus. Canada broadcast partner is Omni Rogers. Associate sponsors of the Videocon D2H IFA weekend are the Gitanjali Group, Rotomac, Grey Goose, The Bay, Infinity, Lotus Herbal, Tissot, and Neutralite from Amway. Our media partners are Print Dainik Bhaskar, Toronto Star, Metro, and People Magazine. Outdoor advertising, Bright Outdoor Media and Lux Media. Radio, Red FM 93.5. News partner, IBN News Network. Music partner is T-Series. Catering partner is The Host. This beautiful set has been designed by Umang and Vinita Kumar of Blue Lotus Productions. Dance direction and choreography by Shamak Davar and Glenn DeMello. dancers are from the Shamak Tower Institute of Performing Arts. The Floriana IFA Awards have been conceptualized, produced and directed by Wizcraft International Entertainment. Give it up for IFA and Wizcraft, ladies and gentlemen. अपनी पहली फिल्म का एक्सपीरियंस किसे नहीं याद है? It's such a special and exciting time. और इस साल का आईफा फॉर बेस्ट डेब्यू अवार्ड है उस हॉट एंड हैपनिंग न्यू स्टार के लिए जिसने फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में फुल बैंड बाजा बारात के साथ एंट्री ली है. And to present the Floriana IFA debut from Best Debut Male, may I please call on stage the absolutely wonderful couple, Rishi and Neetu Kapoor.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening.
To be brief, I've had the good fortune of working with perhaps 22 or 23 new girls in my career. They made their debut with me. Today I have the task of announcing and telling you the debut male award has been given to someone whom I'm very tempted in taking my own son's name. Alas, he is also like my son. May I have, ladies and gentlemen, Ranveer Singh for Band Baja Barat.
प्रॉब्लम मैं कभी फ्रेंडशिप के आगे नहीं बढ़ूंगा.
Ladies and gentlemen, Rishi and Neetu Kapoor, please give it up. This award is doubly special because it's been handed over to me by legends. Hey Toronto, what's up? ओए मैं ते कनाडा आके ऐਵੇਂ लुट गया यार. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for all the appreciation. I have to dedicate this award to a very special person in my life. Shanu Sharma, the casting director of Yash Raj Films, who always believed in me. It's her birthday today. Happy birthday, Shanu. I love you. Thank you, Manish sir, Habib sir, Adi sir, Anushka, Namrata, the entire team of Band Baja Barat. I love you. Ladies and gentlemen, I promise you, this is just the beginning. I love you all.
Thank you, Chittu uncle. Thank you, Neetu ji. Thank you very much. Ranveer, could you wait? I need to have a word with you very immediately. But we'll take center stage because I'm used to doing just that. Hello. See now, thank you for your absolutely original acceptance speech. It was very moving. We've heard it about 4 times before, but that doesn't mean anything, I suppose. हाथ उठाओ. ओहो, punishment नहीं है, शपथ लेनी है, promise करना है. ये दो यहाँ, एक मिनट. हाथ उठाओ.
क्या लेना है?
हाथ उठाओ पहले. Say I promise, मैं शपथ लेता हूँ कि मैं सिर्फ अनुष्का के साथ
आईफा शपथ. मैं प्रॉमिस करता हूं कि मैं हमेशा अनुष्का के साथ
अनुष्का के साथ ही फिल्में करूंगा.
Yes.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। और कॉफी विद करण में जब तुम आओगे,
और कॉफी विद करण में तुम जब आओगे,
मैं कॉफी विद करण में नहीं आता, वहां बैठता हूं। जब तुम आओगे तो सही सही मुझे बताओगे कि तुम क्या कर रहे हो, झूठी कहानियां नहीं सुनाओगे, करेक्ट?
आई प्रॉमिस मैं आपके साथ काउच पे बैठ के सारी चीजों की उल्टी कर दूंगा, आई प्रॉमिस कर।
That sounded a bit awful, but anyway, moving on. और हर इंटरव्यू में, रेडियो, मैगजीन, न्यूज़पेपर में, जब भी कोई भी इंटरव्यू आपसे, कोई इंटरव्यूअर आपसे पूछेगा कि हु इज योर फेवरेट, हु इज द बेस्ट, हु इज द लिविंग लेजेंड ऑफ इंडियन सिनेमा, तुम कहोगे करण जौहर।
एवी
अरे एवे एवे लुट सकते हो तो ये भी कह सकते हो यार, बोलने में क्या जाता है तुम्हारा?
करण तुसी ग्रेट,
इंडस्ट्री की मैं होप हूं, मैं पोप हूं, वेरी गुड। अच्छा, ये मैं
बड़ी तोप हूं।
You're a poet and did not know it. Anyway, I'm just saying that I'm not giving you this award till you accept the IFA challenge. मैं अभी आपको चैलेंज करता हूं कि अभी इसी वक्त आपको डांस करना है, परफॉर्म करना है, टोरंटो को एंटरटेन करना है।
How can you put me on the spot like I'm not ready? Look,
You're what? Sorry, you're not ready? What did I didn't hear you right? You're not what?
I'm not ready.
If you're not ready, then you're not the biggest hit of the year.
I'll be right back. Huh?
All right. Okay. So that's Ranveer going to accept the IFA challenge. Let's see if we can put him on the spot and he can come back and boo all of you, Toronto. But before that, I have another important award to announce right now. And now, for the Floriana IFA Award for Best Debut Female, the award उस दबंग लड़की के लिए है जिसने अच्छे अच्छों को खामोश कर देने का दम है. So I'm sure you know who this is, but before that, to give away this award, please can we have on stage the team of the film Tell Me O Khuda, Hema Malini ji, Isha Deol and Arjun Bajwa.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's my great pleasure to be here with all of you this evening and be a part of this spectacular IFA Awards in Toronto. It was really overwhelming to see so much love and affection shown by you all from Toronto. Thank you so much for that.
Good evening, Toronto. आज के इस माहौल को देखकर एक लाइन याद आती है कि रब वर्गे जिन्ना दे चेहरे पंजाबियां दी शान वखरी, लोकी दुनिया च वसदे बथेरे पंजाबियां दी शान वखरी.
Okay, what's up, Toronto? Sat Sri Akal Paji. Okay, we're here to announce the award for the IFA Best Debut Female. And the award goes to my darling and our nation's darling, the Mast Nain girl, Sonakshi